was imprisoned by the king Herod, and his head was cut off and brought in platter. So in this routine activity where he is continuously describing about the eating habits, eating things, how to eat, and then he is trying to give the reference, but still he says that I am not prophet. Okay, like the John, unlike the John Baptist, he is not a prophet. He has not such kind of uh, heroism that would save him, and that is why he says that I was afraid. Now here there is a reference of Jesus Christ, that is Lazarus, which is I have highlighted. In the again detailed discussion, you have also found the reference of Andrew Marvell again to have squeezed the universe into a bowl. That is means the time is limited and you have to take all the opportunity to get the time. Lazarus was dead and he was made alive. Jesus Christ gave him life. So again the same routine talk where he is not finding any worth or anything which is important, and still he is in a mood of questioning. He is not giving us the direct descriptions. His overwhelming questions are there, and he says that I am Lazarus come from the dead, come back to tell you all I shall tell you. If one sitting a pillow by her head should say that is not what I mean at all, that is not it at all. So again Lazarus might not listen him, and in that way he says that repetition of that same words. A magic lantern means you will see here is about projector. The modern society where it might be there that in Eliot's time that was kind of projector. So there is he's thinking about projection. There is there any machine or is there anything which can project the mind? So still there is no such kind of things which can produce the mind. And very famous lines which he says that no, I am not a prince of Hamlet nor mean to be, am attended lord. So reference to Shakespeare's Hamlet where he says that he is not like a Hamlet. Okay, Hamlet was a king. He had a power. He had that kind of majesty, but Prufrock feels that he has not that kind of majesty, and that is why he want to be an attendant lord. That is the reference to Polonius, a character in a Hamlet, and that is in this state he consider himself not as a hero but as the fool. The capital F that is there for the fool, and again there is a this kind of you will see that Hamlet was famous for his inaction, decisive. Okay, he could not take action, and like the Prufrock also is could not take properly the action. He is still continuously thinking, and here at the poem as the poem is going end, he says that I grow old, I shall wear the bottoms of my trouser rolled. He fails in that way. The reference of mermaid is coming to say that the reference shows that it has very meaningful way. So that at the end you will see that Prufrock has very clearly said about how he grow old, and this is what the life goes on. And in the last 2 or 3 lines he describes about the sea, and he's thinking that he is drawn, he is going into the deep inside the water. So at the end you will see that love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, you will find the character of Prufrock who is not completely, who's thin, he is continuously thinking, and he has doubts, questions, which represents all the characteristics of modern poetry. Prufrock is a poem which highlighted Eliot, and which all the major poets of that time were trying to copy Eliot. And lastly, this is the poem where you will find a very scholarly knowledge of the Eliot. So at the end, I thanks to all for listening me quietly. Thank you very much.
સંધાન. ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.